Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, you will notice that I have some chalk paint in the color ivory, and I didn't like the coverage for it, so I decided to change it to the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color ink. And once I painted that and made sure that it was dry, I decided to cut up some paint stick or popsicle sticks, the jumbo size that you can find at Walmart, to fit on the inside of the tray. And what I decided to do is create a shiplap look for the inside of this tray using those popsicle sticks. And then I added a terracotta pot that you can find at the Dollar Tree. They do come in a 2-pack. And then I just added one stem of the ferns that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Added some D-ring hooks to the back of these. Let it dry. And now we're moving to DIY number 2. Whereas I took some of these, or 2 of the wooden wine bottles that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and what we're going to do is make a tote out of this, and it's a carrying tote. So I did cover both the front and back sides of this piece using that ink paint, chalk paint from the Walmart. And as you can see, I have this decorative paper. This came in a pack from Michael's. Added the Elmer's glue stick to the top lid and added the paper on top. Made sure that it fit and trimmed the rough edges off. And now you see that I am using some hot glue and a stronger adhesive to the back. I will say, in order to get this to work and fit perfectly, I did have to cut it down to size as far as the paint sticks, so that I would get a smooth edge, because this had that little lip all the way around the organizing trays. These are the trays that you can find at the Dollar Tree that has little compartments in them, but I do know that they do carry some of the longer trays without the organizing or the compartments on the inside of them. I want to welcome everybody back to my channel, my new and returning subscribers. Guys, I really appreciate all the love that I've been receiving on my channel, all of the comments, all of the encouraging words, and I just appreciate you guys. You guys make my day. I enjoy reading the comments and just enjoy bringing you content that you can sit back and just enjoy. And as you can see, I did cut down a dowel rod, stuck it in between where the holes were, closed it up with some of these half beads, added the half beads to the bottom portion of the wooden bottles, added a bead to the front of this piece to give it the illusion that it's one long tray or one long drawer. And that's about it for this DIY. Guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So again, guys, all I'm doing is just touching this up. Added some of that, again, black ink paint or the ink color paint to the rod, and here we are with the reveal, guys. I think this turned out amazing. It is very cute. And you see that I have it styled here with the peaches, not oranges or tangerines that I initially said the other night. And it's also styled with those string of pearls on the inside of that terracotta pot that you can find at the, not pot, the pitcher that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I think this piece looks amazing. This is the second DIY, but now we're getting ready to look at the first DIY. I really like the way this turned out. It is very, very pretty. I think both of these projects are a little bit on the higher end mark. I really, really love the way this look, and I really love the way I styled this for this video. And as you can see, when you add this terracotta pot, please make sure you use a strong adhesive to the wood, because if not, it will fall apart. Trust me. But I think this turned out amazing. You guys got to let me know what you think in the comments. And also, guys, one last time, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And also continue to support my community tab area. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And until the next video, be blessed. Have a great week, guys. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.